your purchase of ticket is how many park. If only one park, then you have more time there. If you have all the three parks, then you have here a little bit time, there a little bit time, there a little bit time. So you plan yourself. Okay? I don't know how many park that your ticket you have purchased. All depend on yourself lah. That you arrange with the company. Okay? Or you arrange with the company. Food. So food all inside you can find. But then if you want to come out to the mall to eat something and then go back, also can. But then you have to have a rubber stamp on your hand.
Pwede tayo
Okay?
lumabas.
Tell the gatekeeper that you are going out for a while and come back again. Okay? You can. You can do that. So this is what in Legoland. Legoland, there are certain time where they have show. So you check out the time, then you go for other game, and then come back again to enjoy the show. They have some variety show, okay, for the tourists that visit Legoland. So you all check out the time first. If there is some show going on at what time, so if you are too early for the show, just go and visit another site, and then only come back to the place that has a variety show to show to you. Okay, so this is what's going on. If you are interested to know more, just get a leaflet. Okay, when you enter into Legoland, there's leaflet for you to get, and then let you know how miss out. Okay, this is the drop-off point. You up the staircase and walk straight to the entrance. On your return, you walk the same way down, and then we will be opposite side to pick you. Okay? Your registration start at 4:45. Okay? So you take your time, enjoy your fun in this Legoland. Take down everything because you may not come back to this coach again. Okay? Bring down everything that you brought, then enjoy yourself, walk yourself up the staircase and go to the entrance. Get your ticket show and get your wristband put up, and if you have the time to come out to the mall, just get the gatekeeper to have your stamp on your hand. Okay? Everything
Okay.
clear?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's come.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
understand, huh?
Yes.
4:45.
There. We go there.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Doon kami mamaya pagbalik. Okay. Tapos doon na kami lalakad papuntang Legoland. Kasi yung bus number, di bali, madali na lang naman yun. Kayang-kaya ko naman yun. Ayan guys. Dito na kami sa Legoland. Ayan. Walk through ka lang doon pag ano. Tapos makikita mo na siya sa dulo. May mga mall din doon. Ayun, may mall din. Ayan. Yung anak ko nagtsinelas lang. Kasi yung paa niya, nagmaltos dun sa shoes sa kakalakad namin. Kaya, nagtsinelas lang siya. Ayan. Ayan. Kain na muna tayo. Kain na muna tayo. Ayan guys, yung dulo niyan, susundan mo lang yan. Akala mo nakarating na ako. Nakarating na po ako sa ano lang, sa mga pinanood ko. Susundan mo lang yan siya pag ano. Alam niyo naman ako eh. Pag ako'y naglalakwat siya talagang inaaral ko yan. Hanggang doon yan sa dulo. Pilipino. Papunta rin dito? Papunta rin dito. Sila nga yung family kanina. Nakita ko na sabay-sabay sa immigration.
Iba yun yung kino-question?
Hindi. Ay, question ba yun? Iba ba yun? Question sila? Bakit kaya? Kasi pag family malimit, hindi masyadong ano. Sa base sa experience ko Kasi kami pumunta kaming Macau, Hong Kong. O katulad nun sa Singapore. At saka sa Philippines, pag lalabas ka. Hindi masyadong ano, hassle. Tinitignan lang nila yung passport. Tsaka ikaw yung mukha mo. Ganun lang. Pero nakaraan paglabas namin sa Philippines sa immigration, tinanong kung kailan babalik. Sabi ko lang, tapos yun lang, pinaano na kami.
Ay, yung ticket, wala, may ticket ba tayo na dyan?
Wala, hindi pa naman tayo ano dyan.
Ha?
Wala.
Paano tayo makakapasok dyan? Kung wala kang ticket.
Wala pa, bibili pa lang tayo.
Ay, ano yung ticket na dyan?
Sea life yan eh.
Okay.
Wala pa, ano pa lang yan eh, bungad pa lang.
Pasok dyan sa loob.
Oh, ayun yung bilihan ng mga tickets
Tatalang na natin itong
Oh. Pero kain muna tayo.
Legoland Resort.
Ayan, security check.
Check muna na tayo doon bago tayo talaga makapasok. So, ayun.
Yan na.
Pasok
Pass na kami.
Nakalagpas na tayo doon sa security
Ayan.
check. So, ayun yung mga tickets. So, hindi pa kami nakakabili ng tickets para sa loob. At
Oo.
online TS.
Hindi ako bumili kasi
Bakit pala hindi ka bumili?
papipiliin ko pa sila kung Sea Life or Theme Park.